School students, teachers, government officials, and representatives of NGOs took out rallies against drug abuse and illicit trafficking on the 25th of August 2022 at Ampati. The students carried banners and placards urging the youths to stay away from drugs and other abusive substances. The rally was a part of the program organized by the Department of Social Welfare in collaboration with District Legal Services Authority Southwest Garo Hills to observe International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, which was held at Multi-Facility Hall, Ampati. To mark the occasion, the students also took oath to stay away from drugs and other abusive substances.